Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know? Carefully. A franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. Oh, no, know what it go already. When I come to represent. A full effect thing, man. Oh, no, know what it go. When I load up. Here, man. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion but yeah. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Hey, are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It can't get no better than this. The way how me I represent right now. You know what I say? Me already tell the man them already. Say, Foota hype is a solidified and certified jockstrap sniffer. Cause hear me now, the man is a gully man. I mean I know all of a sudden, I know I'm not getting a highlight from gully nor Movado. So it look like the man wants sniff from Gaza jockstrap. Now lollipop thing in my game and a gimmicks thing in it, you know. Yo, nation people, I call it out. You see me? Before I even see it. Before I call it out. Before I even see it. Because I did done see it, all my gun did see it. You see what I say? Yo, me already make the people them know, say, here what go on. The guy, Foota hype, I beg Vibes Cartel, please, for send him underneath him mother. So he can run out on Instagram with it, beat himself with it, and go viral and then say him the hottest thing. So said, so done. Bumbuckler 10-star, use a junglist or use a prophet. Stop it. No gimmicks thing there in my game, no lollipop thing now dead about it. Hear me now. The man forward out. The first time Vibes Cartel walked through the penitentiary gate, Zin, the man claim he make 4 day run off. Then he want to ask question. Say, oh, him not hear nobody ask Vibes Cartel this. Them did say, a busy alone, use people song and Vibes Cartel sing over people's song. Yo, nobody not ask the guy that, you know. The guy just forward with that half I'm own, you know, just because he want to make mischief, you know. Because he might look, you know, a viral moment from the world boss, you know. Then after that, the man put on the 2 orange kerchief them, same about the general style, zine. And immediately him claim him the viral king. Him got and him a lead in a viral. Cause Vibes Cartel they take it over there and him take it back from him. Yo, the man go up on a rampage, the man not done this. So. When him hear the show and him hear the people them and say, yo, a 4 mil the world boss get for the show, bumbuckler people. It's like him skin catching a bumper ass cloud fire. Cause here what go on now. The man run out. And I tell the man who and who him supposed to have on him show. You believe that? Remember he's a gully man this, you know my brother. Anything we might deal with in a dance hall it's supposed to be about gully, you know. You know the rivalry between gully and Gaza, you know. Yo. It not done this, you know, people. You see what I say? No. Zin, no, you know. Him say Sean Storm. Get the ass clot BMW from the blood clot world boss. I don't know if for the world boss give him the BMW. I don't know if for the man buy him own BMW. I don't know how the man get him BMW. We just see the man I go collect it. All of a sudden he run out. And he claim him want beat the man. Because him claim say the man supposed to get a better car or a bigger car. Me no know where the bumbuckler are going. Foota hype never buy a man a blood clot tea that, nor a bumbo clot, nor one of them rascal power box there. Much more for to talk about blood clot BMW. Anything in a BMW are expensive blood clot shit. Yo, the man never asks you. No question. Nobody not asks you no question. Oh, you're so good to Sean Storm. Oh, yeah, look out for Sean Storm like that and you da manage fully bad and you never buy him a pro box. Eh? Oh, yeah, look out for Sean Storm like that and you make fully bad. Fight your pum war because you want war massacre over Aishana and you send fully bad to attack him and you never give fully bad a pro box. Me bumper ass clad. Foota eye. You solidify and certified jockstrap sniffer. No gimmicks thing there in my game. No lollipop thing in it. You go too far to seek attention, my brother. And only you look attention from a Gaza man. The Gaza boss. And Sean Storm. How that? Eh? As a gully man, how that? Tell me no man. Yo, I live in lollipop thing I go on. The guy run out, you know. And I tell the people them say, you know, you have some man who buy out him business, you know, on the internet. What kind of buy out business you have bumbuckler talk about? Eh? When you're rascal, run out. You run out and I talk about, oh, cartel them can't say nothing because them put them business out on social media. So when you run out on social media and run your mouth and other people run out, now put your business out on social media, why the people them run out on you? Eh? Yo, you can't have it both bumbuckler ways, you hear that? It's only good for you. Run out on people because them put them business out on social media. But nobody not supposed to run out on you when you chat and put your business out there, don't it? No gimmicks thing that you about it, nation people, no lollipop thing that you about it. Foota hyper, solidify and certify jockstrap sniffer. I can't believe a Gaza you want hype off of my brother. A Gaza you look for keep you viral, you want itch on your name and Vibes Cartel name. Use an artist now, my brother. So now, the man rascal itch on him name. Cause Sean Storm go tell him about him mother. And bumper rascal people, it come like say, is a little 5-year-old kid that get him first tie pan bumbuckler at Christmas. To the way how the man go on. Yo, the man go off. Nation people, the man a clap and a congratulate bumbuckler at Sean Storm. I can't bumbuckler believe. A man send the man underneath him, mother. Yo, the man take disrespect for invitation, people. Bumper rascal, I can't believe this. A man like Foota hype who say him a straight man and them shit. The dog, you come like you lose your manhood and your integrity at the same time. No lollipop thing that about it. You see what I say? No, him say Vibes Cartel can't manage him on the internet. Vibes Cartel and no bumbuckler internet man. My Vibes Cartel just crack the internet when him ready and when him bumbuckler feel like. The lollipop thing that about it. Vibes Cartel is an artist, my brother. Oh, you mean the man can't match up with you? Because you with demolish man and all type of fuck where you chat about, dog. Yo, now the guy I say, who the fuck call him? Foota hype, the viral king. AKA the new world boss. You hear that bumper rascal people? Eh? AKA the new world fraud. That me I tell you. You hear me? AKA the new world fraud. You hear that? You're carbon copy, my brother. That's all you did want. Me did want the people them and tell them. Say that you want. You see what I say? What a good thing the world boss don't do it, but Sean Storm do it and you still take it, beat yourself and go viral with it. Cause you don't care a fuck. You see what I say? You just want the viral moment. Now you claim you're the hottest blood clot thing and all your selector money gone up because the Gaza man them are war with you. People no bumbuckler see it. Look how long me a bumbuckler call it out, people. And I tell you say that him want. Eh? Me bumbuckler 10 star. Them can't hide from you, you know. Once you see the jockstrap sniffer them, you know, You know me I go point them out because them can't hide from me, don't it? Anyway, big up FME, Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza. Big up the whole of Rosestown, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Denontown, the whole of Rima, the whole of Federal, the whole of Jungle Arnett Garden. Know the general, the 10 star one I represent Gaza Nation. What? Foota hype, solidify and certified jockstrap sniffer. Oh.